What am I going to do with this huge box of 2-inch squares? I'm so glad you asked. So in color, I think that we as quilters get stuck with rules. We think, well, this can't go with that, or those don't go together, or this doesn't work this way. Oh, it has to be that way if I want it to be like this. My very first exercise that I cover in my color workshop is all about breaking down those rules, because we don't need no stinking rules. The first exercise helps you to let go of those preconceived ideas and shows you how things could work. It shows you possible combinations and ideas that you may never have thought of, and it helps you to let go of those ideas and rules and things that have limited you in being able to pick out colors and fabrics and prints that you love. So that is the first exercise in the Quilter's Color course. Be sure, sign up today.